Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 214.
Math practice number 214. We're just going to take a little glimpse today and tomorrow into some of the MOEMS problems that we're going to be using next year out of these books. So this is a problem I made up based on one of the problems from the book. All right. Tinky starts with the number 3 and counts by 4s. What is the 25th number in the sequence that she counts? So she goes 3, 7, 11, 15, etc. Okay, makes sense?
Yep.
All right. How do you want to approach this problem?
Well, we could make a chart of what the numbers are.
Okay, make a chart.
Yeah.
All right. Since we're on the small screen today, until I finish painting the whiteboard, I'll write and make the chart. So she starts at 3 and counts by 4s, right? So here's our chart. So here's the position, and then here's the number. So position number 1 is the number 3. So the second number she counts is
7.
7. The third number she counts is
11.
11. The fourth number she counts is
15, but we don't have enough room on the bottom.
Oh, what's the fifth number she counts?
Well, that's going to be 19.
19, okay, great. Yeah, so listing these all out, now we might be able to get to number 25, right? We might just barely be able to squeeze it on.
Yeah.
But does that seem like the best approach?
No.
Maybe we can look for something else. We can add a new thing to our problem-solving arsenal. Okay? So let's see if we can look for a pattern. Do you see a pattern in these numbers?
3, 7, 11. Well, it's obvious that you're always adding by 4 each time.
You're adding by 4 each time. That's a great observation. So I go from there to there, I go plus 4. 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 Okay, maybe we can use that to help us.
We need to do, well, I wonder how many 4, the closest number we could get by 4s to 25 is 24.
Well, we're adding 25 numbers. Or sorry, we're making a list of 25 numbers. Right? So we're trying to figure out, like, what is number on our list here? What is number 25? This is a number we don't know. How many times did we have to add 4 each time? For the first number, how many times did we add 4?
1. For the first number, we added 0 times because, well...
Yeah, there were no 4s. We just started with some number, and that number happened to be 3.
Yeah.
For the second number, how many 4s did we have?
We had 1 4.
1 4. This 4 right here. For the third number, how many 4s did we have?
2 4s.
2 4s.
Well, we're going to have 26 4s when we reach number 25.
How did you figure that out?
Because when you start at 1, you have 0 4s when you start
Okay,
at 2.
when we start here, we had 0 4s. 0 was corresponded to number 1. For here, we had 1 4. That was our second number. How many 4s did we have for the third number?
We had 2.
2. 2 corresponded to the third number. How many 4s do we have for the fourth number?
We have 3.
3. So do you see a pattern?
Yeah. Every number in the fourth column you add 1 and you get the number in the first column.
Okay, so when we're trying to get to 25 here, how many 4s are we going to have added?
We're going to have 24.
24 4s.
24.
Because we didn't add a 4 for the first number, but after that there was always one smaller number of 4s.
Yeah.
2 was 1, 3 was 2, 4 was 3. Yeah. So now we have to figure out what we get when we add 24 4s, and then we have to add that to 3. So can you tell me what 24 times 4 is? Whoa. 24 times 4.
I think it's 96.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
24 times 2 is 48. You added 48 times 2 is 96.
Aha. Okay, great. 96, because we want 24 times 2 was 48, and then we did 48 plus 48. Oops, 48 plus 48. Okay, so that's 96, and what's 96 plus 3?
99.
99. So our 25th number
Is 99.
is 99. High five. Good job, sweetie.